In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We remain in positive MACD, but appears to be approaching to negative MACD territory. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, we did see it converge, and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. We also see the 9 moving average converge onto the 18 moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively, and we're approaching to positive MACD territory. As with the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $153.96. My sell target is at $166.80. My stop loss is at $151.33. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $174.04. My sell target is at $156.76, and my stop loss is at $177.01. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has an 28% chance to climb between 0 to 6%. To the downside, it has a 67% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, and a 5% chance to fall between negative 12 to negative 19%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.